Welcome. If you want to get animated wallpaper on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Magic Fluids. Click install and there's the full name of the application, Magic Fluids Free Simulation and the Live Wallpaper. Let's open. And here's the preview of the wallpaper, how it's going to look when we apply it on our screen. Click here, tap to set as a live wallpaper and click on the right upper corner to confirm, and we can set it up on the home screen and also on the lock screen on the home screen. So I'm going for the both. Right now just close this application and go for your screen. And as you can see right now, you are able to use this wallpaper. And yeah, that's how it looks. I hope that I helped you guys and I hope that you enjoyed this wallpaper. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.